Very white.
Walang pito. Pwede pala half-court eh.
Magkasabay na.
Start!
Okay, ano muna tayo?
This is official! Official!
Okay, game. First possession ng ating team number 5. Jake.
Pita!
JR. Drop. Baseline. Ito. Feel na feel ang intense na ball game mga kaibigan. 0-0 after 7 minutes of ball game. Ay, 7 seconds. RJ. Sumakot sa gitna. Drop pass to Brian. Pag regular game, yung ginagawa ni Brian eh. Naka-reserve pa yun sa mga special location. Mga papadala pa. Brian, grab, forcing the issue. Yes, 2 points. Jeff, tama ng bola. Tommy to RJ. Better step. Back of him. Manuel for 3. No good. Gas on the rebound. Magbabalik. Crossover move. Go by. Left-handed layup. No good. RJ. Nagmadring. Ibaba. Bola. Challenging the defense. RJ layup. No! Iba yung RJ. Put back. Foul. Ginawag. Bola ng blue. Alam na tayong free throw. We would like to acknowledge the presence of Brian, Kevin, Tommy, wide open for 3. That's one thing. Morning, Ruben, Eliot King. We are back.
Turnover mix number 1. Pareho rin si Tom ha? Pareho rin si Tom ha?
Okay, JR. Winning it back. Nice pass. Nagiging Rudel in the middle floater. Wait. Nagiging Nick sticking green. Movement na baseline. Isang bola no good. Nick nakuha ang bola. Then the round. Binaback. Nagiging Brian. Sticking 3. Pinasa. RJ studying the 17 pounds. Pull-up jumper, no. Noel, towering high sa defense. Delivered to JR.
Pero parang madali anong tatrap na? Rebound.
Tommy, Jeff, Brian, thinking to shoot. Left-handed baseline. Delivered to Jeff. Ball alone sa taas. Top of the key. Floater, yes! Score, 4-2. Gas, pull-up J. RJ. Bigger to Brian. Brian, found the point. RJ, nail up. No, too strong. Grab. Nagmawad away. Mix. Nabangan. JR. Pull-up jumper off the glass. Yes, sir. It's Manuel. Jeff, Brian for 3. Or they shoot. Matabot ni Alvin Blue Ball. RJ. Takes the 3. Maybe Jeff put some nice pass in there. Nice assist. And that is Jeff's second assist of the whole game. Maybe Mix, nakatapigan, nagtagawa ng bola, nakakuha ni Gab, na-challenge si Mix, pull-up jumper, too strong, Mix along rebound, but yes!
Yes! Nice Mix!
Wala pong umigit eh, mga kaibigan. It's not a friendly game, ladies and gentlemen. Jeff, binigay kay. Oh, the 20 minutes. Anticipation. They are bounce back to Red. Red, nice play by the right team. And we are tied at
Number 5.
Mitch Manuel, ready to Jeff Garcia. Philippine Mitch takes the three. Jeff, all baby shoots. 2 short. Nakuha ni Mitch Manuel na rebound na kapitibay a turn.
Dalawa kayo kumano sa akin. Busin ang oras.
Last shot na, last shot.
Hey, tama na!
There, comes the key job. Sumaksak. Jumper. No good. Sabi Brian takes things slow. But RJ looking ahead. Crossover.
Alam tao!
Grab.
Alam tao!
It's time to play. Tommy. Corner. Please. Looking Jeff. Jeff. Looking to pass. Bounce pass. Now going Brian. Brian. Looking mix. Baseline. Foul.
Second team pa.
Oy! Wag mo na! Patay mo na siya! Nice naman yun! Sayang as sa mga Jeff eh.
No foul.
Foul call by Mix.
Sinong foul?
Foul si Mix.
Mix man.
Ay, si Jayata.
Third team pa.
RJ, turnaround jumper, no good. Going down, go by Brian, yes sir. Gab doing Gab feast tonight. Mix, wide open to corner three. Took the shot, yes sir. That is course 3-point shot. Okay,
Si Mix team.
and the lead and the score is 10-9. Naman po ang blue shirts and white shirts. 1 point. RJ. It's time to play. Jeff. Wide open.
Bantay ka Tommy.
Nice drop. Last touch on blue. Bola ang puti. We have 11 more minutes sa ating first game sa ating mini MBC mini tournament this Tuesday night. Gab thinking to shoot. Pinagay kay JR there. Nice pick. Pull up jumper. Too strong. Pero foul ang tinawag
Sino foul ulit?
kay Brian. Brian, hindi ko tatanong si Brian ay 90s child star. Lumabas sa mga sikat na palabas. Itong Bicana Rodenta. Bigay kay Ruel. Underneath the basket. Too strong.
Bakit 90?
Stress dito yung kanina.
Stress.
Stress yung kay Mix. Ay, harap sa tres!
Jeff.
Big, harap sa tao.
Harap ng papasan. RJ. Took a 3-pointer. No good. They are starting the defense. 2-on-1. Bigay kay Ruel. Yes sir. Great pass. Mula sa ating veteran point guard as GR. Tommy. They are locked down kay Tommy tonight. Mix to the other corner team. Too strong. Nabuhay ni Ruel. They kay GR. GR said, let's get a picture. Looking at the defense. They kay Mix. Tabihe. reverse, too strong. Pero falling to now. Left-handed reverse shot. Yan po, isa po yan sa specialty ni Mix Cabijo. Yeah, they got that. All they shoot. Three-pointer. No, too strong. Nagawa ni Bryce. Bryce, sabi ni Bryce. Pay lang. Half time. RJ. Nagiging Mix. Mix. Bounce pass to RJ. Floater. Didn't get the bounce. Kuya Alvin. Yeah, naman magaling. Naman nagpatay na defender. Kaya nakasakay na defense. Way coast to coast. Change court po. And at the half, the score is 14-9 in favor of the White Shirts. We still have a lot of basketball, mga kaibigan. 9.20. Nice play off the glass, too strong. Alvin on the rebound. Dumagin kay JR. JR, nakama delay. And sabi niya, wait lang. Nalaksakan, challenging Jeff defense. No good. Bakang Jeff ang kanyang binigay kay Jeff. Sabi na bakang kanyang gawin. Sinasan, nakuha ni Alvin. Alvin, lampas. That's a crazy play, ladies and gentlemen. Nawala naman ni Gab. Binasa kay, oh, give and go. Left-handed layup by Gab. And the White Shirts is trying to put away. And RJ is all alone on the transition layup. Mga kaibigan. Binabati po natin ang mga nasa balcony. Special si Brian Kevin.
Masaras!
We still have 8 more minutes to play. This is a lot of ball game. Muntik na lumagpas. Magpisa na pinigyan ang karnata. 7-point lead by the White Shirts. JR. Binigay kay Gab. Gab. Nag-isip. Binigay kay JR. JR all alone. 4-3. Short. Wala ng blue shirts. And it's their time to cut the lead down. Let's see ang mangyayari. Yeah. Didiskarte. Binigay kay Brian. Binigay kay Tommy. Tommy, first attempt of the night. No good! Wow. What a great defense by Mix Tabie. Binigay kay Mix Tabie. Oh no! Nice! Assist by Gab.
Walang free throw, walang free throw.
Mix is doing everything for the White Shirts. Defense and offense at the same time. Yes. Natabi ka na naman. Ruel! Alvin! Isang bola! Too short! RJ! Ganap. Ibigay kay Mig. Alvin, the scavenger Kuray, ang nakakakuha ng mga dirty plays. And Ruel gets 2 points. And here comes Tommy. Tommy is silent in this game. Binigay kay Jeff. Jeff, binigay kay RJ. RJ, wide open for 3.
Ulit.
His first 3-point shot. Will this be the start of hot nights for Tommy after hot date last night? Binigay kay Mix taking 3. Binigay kay JR down to 3. JR sa malaksak, pull up jumper, short. Nagagawa ni Alvin. Alvin talaga. Alvin doing the dirty work. Nagawa ni Brian.
Bato.
Binigay kay Tommy. Tommy all alone. And making sure of the 2 points. It's a 5-0 run by the Blue Shirts. We still have 5 more minutes remaining. Nagawa ni JR. 32-18 ang ating score. Binigay kay Mix. Mix down the team. Binigay kay Gab. Gab, pull up jumper. No! Nakuha ni Brian. Binigay kay RJ. RJ. Didiskarte. Currently Gab's defense backing down the 3. Binigay kay Migs. Ayaw kumat. Binigay kay Tommy. Wide open. Nice straight. Binigay kay RJ. Binigay kay RJ. Malaksak. Foul ang tinawag.
Sino foul?
Foul. Sigap.
Grab daw.
Ano ang foul daw? Kasi may most foul, best fouler of the game.
Penalty na sila.
Bumaybay ng baseline, dinalik kay Bry. Bry, his occasional three, too strong. Rebound, nagawaan, RJ, nakuha ng loose ball. Nag-iisip ng papasahan, Migs, corner three, yes! And that's an 8-point run by the Blue Shirts. And the lead is down to 3.
4 minutes.
4 minutes, 25 seconds ang nalalabit sa ating first game of the night.
Eh, di ba sabi pala? Balik, depensa ha? Oo, dapat. Depensa ha? Hindi natin na ano.
Leading scorer, Gab, Mix and top down to me. Leading scorer, Mix and Gab. 8 points.
Migs, another 3! Too strong! Rebound ni Roel. Binigay kay Gab. Gab challenging two defenders. Kuminto. Sa corner team. Binigay kay Migs. Migs all alone. Left hand. Too strong. And we still have a ball game, mga kaibigan. 3 minutes, 36 seconds remaining. 22-19. 3 points. Yes, all day for green. No! Crossover move. May bay ng baseline. Oh, what a move by Gabriel Versosa.
Double pick.
Ang pinagmamalaki ng
Grab,
Husky.
10 points.
Bola, Brian.
Pwede na.
Tommy, binigay kay RJ. RJ, looking to pass. Sumalaksak. Good pass. Alvin, lay out. Yes, sir. Alvin joined the party and contributing 2 more points.
Alvin, 2 points.
26-19. And the white team trying to pull away. Binigay kay Bry for 3. Yes! Bry, that's the first hit. And it's still a 4-point game. 2 minutes remaining. 2 minutes, 29 seconds
Basta points
remaining.
mahalaga.
JR trying to close the game. Razzle dazzle. Pull up jumper, no good. Sabigan naman ni Brian. Brian, binigay kay Migs. Migs, taking the pass.
Santras lang o, lamang na kayo.
Migs, sneak out kay Tommy. Tommy, nice place. Pull up jumper. Tommy short. On the rebound, binigay kay Migs. Migs, sumalaksak, challenging Jeff Kuhn. And it's a blue ball. 1 minute, 46 seconds remaining. Jeff looking to score. Kick out to Bry. Another one. Yes! It's a 1-point ball game! This is not a friendly game. A friendly game.
1 point lang?
1-point ball game. And the Blue Sharks does not want to quit.
Team 5,
They're
leading
giving
by
a
1
fight.
point.
This is his moment. Gab, pull up jumper, too strong. Rebound, Joel. Nakuha ang rebound.
Naging rebounder si Roel.
Bumaybay ng baseline. RJ, nagkamera. Binigay RJ. Takes the shot. Kapag i-get ang offensive board. Good. Binigay si RJ. Binigay si Jeff. Foul ang tinawag. Kay Alvin Correa.
Sino pa?
Alvin Correa. It's a 1-point ball game, mga kaibigan, and we have 45 seconds remaining. Dead from the 3. No! At then si JR. JR, 2-on-1 situation, challenging Tommy Stevens. Gab. Gets the 2 points. 8-3. 8-5, 28-25. It's still a 3-point ball game. Bye. Dahanap ng papasahan. Dali kay RJ. RJ looking to shoot. And we have 15 seconds remaining. Jeff, 10 seconds. 8 seconds.
Time.
Ah, bala mo.
5 seconds remaining in the ball game. 5, 4, 3.
Wala.
Okay na yun.